Hey, what's going on? My friend James Bill here.
I've been quiet for too long.
So you're looking for an easy way to start a business online? Well, you're definitely in the right place. I'm going to tell you about something that I'm involved in. It's called affiliate marketing. And what that simply means, you get to go out and take someone else's product and market it and sell it to others, and you get a commission for that. And it's basically easy to get set up. All you have to do, number one, is sign up with that company. Number two, they're going to give you a link. You take that link and start marketing it, showing other people your business. And when they click on that link and purchase your product, you basically get a commission. That's the fun part. And honestly, there's a few more mechanics involved in this. You're going to need a capture page to collect emails, because that's how you really want to start a business. You gain people's emails, so you start to build your list, and you always have access to that list there. That's your data bank for your business. You always have someone to communicate with and pass along your offers and provide value to them. And let me see what else I have here. Also, and your sales guys, you have to be careful as to what type of affiliate products you're gonna try to sell, because some of them, you may have where you can get $10 purchase, okay? And $10 is good over and over and over if you get so-called free money or whatever. But the point I'm getting at, what you're gonna need to do is use what we call the value ladder, where you have something like a $10, $20 purchase on the front end, but it climbs. So you offer them that at first when they come in and purchase that, and you have something on the back end to offer them, a higher value, and then a higher value and higher value. And this way, guys, this is how you run a real business, to sustain, where you can make enough money to get you some residual income to keep running your business. Anyway, if you'd like to get more information on this, we offer step-by-step training, guys. Social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. We have the training that'll get you started, get you up and running, and be right there with you when you're starting to progress to the top, guys. So go ahead and be sure and subscribe to my channel and click on the link below. And if you like, we'll be sure to get you some more information. Thank you, and God bless.